Hey guys, it's Paul. I'm going to give you a quick introduction or demonstration how to delete Instagram accounts, uh, specifically driven from me for how to delete your kids' Instagram accounts if they're under 13 or if you don't think they should have one. Whatever your philosophy on it is, this is going to be how to delete the account. It is October the 9th, 2019. So this is as of October the 9th, 2019. What's really good for me in these videos, though, at this point is if you pause me and tell me why you're here in the comments and anything else you need to know. If you want to know how to do a Facebook or any other accounts, or you want to be able to monitor stuff, add in the comments and I will try and help you out with a reply. I'll start on a computer. If you look in the description, I'll put the times where each of this lessons start. I'll start with showing you how to create an account, how easy it is, how to delete an account on a computer, and then I'll show you how to do it on a phone. So if you want to do it on a phone, go look in the description and there'll be a link to the time where how to delete on a phone comes up. Cool?